as in, Diyos ko, the value, as in. Hi everyone! Kumusta kayo? My name is Jan Angelo. Welcome to my channel and mag-uusap na naman tayo about skincare, and skincare. So, make sure to keep watching. So, ang pag-uusapan natin for this video is an updated best skincare essentials na mabibili sa Mercury and Watsons under 500. This is for late 2021. So, sa mga matagal nang nanonood sa channel na to, you guys already know na ito yung first ever video topic natin. And na-realize ko, parang ang dami na nating mga bagong products na na-discover in the past few months na parang mabilis lang din mahagilap sa mga Mercury or Watsons. And so, I felt na dapat meron tayong updated na video for this. And just like in the last video, meron tayong options here for all skin types. Mapa-oily, dry, or combination ka man. And the best part is, these are all under 500 pesos. In fact, kung ibabudget nyo ng mabuti yung mga ibang products sa video na to, pwedeng ang maging total cost lang ng routine niyo is around 500 pesos, more or less. So, with that being said, wala nang patumpik-tumpik pa guys, let us begin. So, dahil nga nagtitipid tayo, ni-narrow down na natin yung list natin to just the bare essentials ng isang skincare routine, which is a cleanser, moisturizer, and a sunscreen. Now, sa mga beginners na nagtatanong about toner, no, toner is not essential sa isang skincare routine unless medicated toner siya na prescribe sa inyo ng derma nyo. Now, more on that on this video here. So, let's start off with our first category. These are the best cleansers. Now, unahin natin sa listahan na to yung nag-iisang cleanser na hindi na-outshine ng mga bagong brands na na-discover natin and nanatili siya sa listahan na to. We have my derma's favorite. This is the Physiogel Dermo Cleanser. And unlike our last video, meron na akong sample for you guys this time because, surprise, ginamit ko to for a short while this year. Now, I did mention in our 2020 version of this video that this is really one of the gentlest cleansers that I've ever used. As in, even gentler and if I'm not mistaken, even cheaper than Cetaphil. And gaya nga ng sabi ko sa last video, the only time na ginagamit ko talaga to is when my skin is very sensitive and irritated. Nagka-acne tayo this year and my skin got really sensitive sa mga drying acne medications and that is why for a while bumalik ako rito while adjusting to my acne medications. So kung ganun din yung situation ninyo ngayon or for example, nagre-recover lang kayo from a skincare routine na naging irritating, like for example, gumamit kayo ng Maxi Peel, Rejuve, RDL, and na-irritate yung skin ninyo. This is a cleanser that I recommend na gamitin nyo muna kasi talaga sobrang gentle lang nito. And the reason why napaka-gentle talaga nitong cleanser na to is because it uses a very, very gentle cleansing agent called sodium cocoyl isethionate. Kaya malilinis talaga nito yung skin natin of its excess dirt and oil while keeping our skin's hydration and moisture intact. And very, very important yun guys, lalo na kung dry or irritated yung skin ninyo. Kasi usually, kapag ganun yung skin type ninyo, minsan kinukulang talaga sa moisture and hydration sa skin. So, ayaw nating bawasan pa yung natitira na lang na moisture and hydration sa skin natin. And as for the feel of this cleanser, this is one of those na parang wala lang yung feeling sa skin. Hindi siya masyadong bumubula. And then pag ni-rinse off mo, parang very light lang yung cleansing feeling sa face. Which for some, hindi nila masyadong gusto yung feeling na yun kasi parang hindi raw na-cleanse yung face nila ng mabuti. But do not be fooled into thinking that because this is just as good as those other cleansers na bumubula and satisfying yung feeling sa skin, gentle does not mean less effective siya sa paglinis. So if you're looking for an ultra gentle cleanser, ito pa rin talaga and you can get the smallest size at 50 ml for just 107 pesos at Watsons. Napakasulit talaga nito as in grabe the value. And speaking of value, our next cleanser is exactly a queen of value. Napakamura din ito and napaka-accessible. We have of course ang pambansang cleanser ng Pilipinas. This is the Celatec Hydration Facial Wash. And pambansang cleanser talaga to because like I said in my past video guys na nire-review ko to, never talaga ako nakakita ng drugstore or department store na walang ganito. As in, easily, this is the most accessible cleanser. Never nauubusan ng stock, napakamura, and of course, well-formulated. Now, as for the feel of this cleanser, moderate naman yung pagbula ng cleanser na to and then kapag winash off nyo siya, there is a satisfying, clean feeling. Pero hindi siya yung parang drying sa skin. In fact, parang may hydration pa nga na naiwan sa skin mo. And also, the value of this product talaga as in, Diyos ko, the value as in, you can get this cleanser at 60 ml for as low as 89 pesos. Now, of course, if you want to save more pesos per ml, you can buy yung mga bigger versions niya. But of course, that's completely up to you. Next up, we move to our third cleanser that is specifically great for oily and acne-prone skin. We have our newcomer sa listahan na to, and this is also a cleanser na na-mention ko na 100 million times sa mga videos ko. We have one of my personal favorites. This is the Quick FX Pimple Eraser Facial Gel Cleanser. Now, share ko lang guys, alam nyo ba, recently, ginusto kong mag-restock ng product na to kasi ito, ubos na siya. Pero grabe talaga kasi naka-5 Watsons ako. As in, 5 Watsons ha. And lahat sila, kompleto yung buong pimple eraser line nila pero laging out of stock ito. Kaya ayun, di tuloy ako nakabili ng bago nito pero buti na lang hindi ko pa to tinapon so meron pa akong mapapakita sa inyo for this video. Now, gaya nga ng sabi ko sa past videos, what makes this cleanser special is that it contains salicylic acid or BHA. Para sa mga beginners lang dyan na hindi alam kung ano yung salicylic acid or BHA, it's an exfoliating acid na ina-unclog yung pores natin and nagtutulong din siya sa pag-prevent ng future breakouts. Also, isa rin siya sa mga exfoliants na nagwo-work pa rin sa skin ninyo kahit wash-off form siya. Also, this has 1% salicylic acid or BHA and that percentage is really perfect for people like me na may acne meds na ginagamit. And also, people with sensitive skin that want to use a BHA or a salicylic acid product, okay din to. And yung number 2 na ginawa ng Quick FX na sobrang galing is, sometimes kasi guys, yung mga salicylic acid cleansers can be harsh or drying sa skin. Pero yung ginawa nila sa formula nito, it's so gentle on the skin. In fact, sa sobrang pagka-gentle niya, hindi rin to masyadong bumubula kapag nilagay mo sa skin. So ayun guys, as in sobrang kudos talaga to Quick FX for coming out with this cleanser. As in, ang masasabi ko lang siguro sa Quick FX is sana gumawa na kayo ng bigger version of this. As in, promise, bibiling ko talaga. So the Quick FX Pimple Eraser Facial Gel Cleanser is at 199 pesos for 50 ml. But unfortunately, gaya nga ng sabi ko kanina, baka wala na siya sa mga physical stores kasi laging out of stock. So I do recommend checking online instead para hindi masayang yung oras ninyo. I will leave some links in the description box for you guys para hindi na kayo mahirapan sa paghanap. Alright, so next, moving on to our category, the ever-controversial moisturizers. Now, just to be clear, hindi lahat ng moisturizers dito are heavy, greasy, or oil-based. Meron din tayong mga water-based and or hydrating options for those na merong oily skin. But let's start first with a moisturizer for our friends na dry ang skin type. And isa rin to sa mga moisturizers na hindi talaga napatalsik sa list na to simply because sobrang accessible niya. This is the Aveeno Daily Moisturizing Lotion. Na alam nyo, almost sa lahat ng mga friends ko na dry ang skin type na naghahanap ng recommendation na mabilis mahanap, ito talaga yung laging go-to recommendation ko sa kanila because this moisturizer is really just so good for dry and irritated skin. As in, it just really gets the job done. And gaya nga ng sabi ko sa first ever video ko, I only had this before nung namamala talaga yung skin ko, nung nagpa-peel procedure ako sa dermatologist. Kasi ito talaga yung nakapag-address ng dryness, ng flakiness, ng irritation ng skin ko. Particularly kasi meron tong oat extract which has been known to be very soothing and calming sa skin. Also, marami ding ibang nagtatanong sa inyo if pwede daw ba talaga to sa face kasi sa online nakalagay siya as body lotion. And the short answer is yes, technically pwede siya sa body and sa face if you're experiencing dryness there. Sabi nga ni Dr. Dre, our favorite YouTube board-certified dermatologist, if dry yung skin mo, it's perfectly fine to use body moisturizer sa face. Ang nagkakatalo lang naman is if okay yung thickness niya sa'yo. And specifically, ito naman, very moisturizing siya pero hindi rin siya yung parang sobrang kapal na layer na mahihirapan ka ng smooth siya sa skin. As in, this still absorbs very well for a cream moisturizer and bagay na bagay pa rin talaga siya kahit humid yung weather. In fact, meron ngang ibang mga dry skin type na medyo light pa rin to sa kanila. So ito yung ginagamit nila during daytime pero sa gabi, ang ginagamit nila is yung blue variant which is even thicker and more moisturizing. Pero ako personally, hindi ko pa na-try yun kasi hindi naman ganun ka-dry yung skin ko. And again, queen of value din talaga to because you can get this one, ito 71 ml to for just 170 pesos. Now, since I think mas maraming may oily skin sa Pilipinas, almost never ito nauubusan ng stock. As in, sana all talaga hindi nauubusan ng stock. Next up, we move on to a moisturizer for combination to oily skin. This is the very affordable, simple, hydrating, light moisturizer. Now, this one is another solid option for a no-nonsense, straightforward moisturizer. moisturizer, especially kung hindi kayo masyadong satisfied doon sa mga super watery na mabilis mag-absorb. May iba kasi na parang nakukulangan sila doon kasi feeling nila parang sa sobrang bilis mag-absorb ng moisturizer, parang wala na silang nafe-feel na hydration na na-lock in sa skin nila. So this one addresses exactly that concern. Medyo mas gel cream siya na may form, pero kapag sprined mo, you still get that watery finish on your skin and very fresh and hydrating lang yung feel niya. I also actually reviewed this on my video on best oily skin moisturizers, and this one is one of the cheapest options talaga. As in, if I'm not mistaken, this is just at 99 pesos for 50 ml. Very reasonable price talaga siya. Ang mahirap lang nga dito is, again, hindi siya laging available sa mga Watsons. Usually, limited lang yung stock nito, and mas mahahagilap mo talaga to online. Next up, ito na ang pinaka-inaantay ninyo. This is the water-based moisturizer for those who have oily skin. And usually kasi guys, yung go-to recommendation ko is the Celatec Hydration Facial Moisturizer. Actually, sobrang love ko pa rin talaga to because napaka-accessible nito. Pero ang problema kasi ng marami sa inyo with this product is nung nag-reformulate si Celatec. As in, may mga ibang tao, yung bagong formulation daw nila is mahapdi sa skin. Now, personally guys, nung sinubukan ko itong bagong formulation ng product nila, okay naman ako, both ingredients-wise, and nung nilagay ko siya sa skin ko, hindi naman humapdi. Pero dahil marami sa inyo felt that stinging sensation and are looking for an alternative, sige, your wish is my command. Naghanap ako ng isa pang alternative na mabilis lang mahanap sa Watsons and medyo similar yung price. This is actually the Lux Organics Cica Soothing Gel. Na okay, take note alam kong maraming mga soothing gel si Lux Organics, but I'm only recommending itong Cica nila specifically, and hindi yung aloe, snail, rose, and yung iba pang mga variants nila. As in, itong Cica lang talaga yung gusto ko sa kanila, and no, it's not because ito lang yung fragrance-free. May isa pang dahilan. Now, the reason is because this is the only one sa buong range nila na merong phenyltrimethicone. And basically, guys, yung phenyltrimethicone helps seal in the hydration sa skin natin. Sa ibang mga soothing gel kasi ng Lux, pag tiningnan niyo yung mga ingredients nila, wala siyang phenyltrimethicone and wala silang inalternate na ingredient to replace that. So in short, yung ibang mga soothing gels ng Lux Organics, yes, very hydrating sila sa skin, pero hindi nila gaano masiseal in ng mabuti yung hydration sa skin ninyo compared to this variant. Now, kung gusto niyo pang mas maintindihan yung topic na to, do check out this video here on the 3 important components of a moisturizer. But anyway, for this soothing gel, again, this is a fragrance-free, lightweight, water-based moisturizer na very, very impressive. Now, ang plus pa rito is since technically soothing gel nga to, it does have soothing ingredients like Centella asiatica and Madecassoside, which makes this great for oily skin na irritated. Now, as for the consistency and texture of this, very, very watery lang talaga siya and hydrating sa skin. Kapag unang lagay mo sa skin niya, parang medyo may wet glow siya for a while, pero nawawala rin siya the more that you wait for the moisturizer to absorb sa skin. Now, the Lux Organics Cica Soothing Gel is at 129 pesos for 100 ml. Napakagandang value and actually one of the cheapest, if not the cheapest, peso per ml cost na nakita ko so far. Meron din siyang mas malaking version nito which is the tub, yung usual na lalagyan talaga ng soothing gel. Pero personally guys, ayoko rin kasi yung dinidip yung kamay ko dun sa tub. Mas nagugustuhan ko yung mga ganitong packaging kasi just personally, parang medyo mas hygienic siya for me kasi hindi mo natatouch yung product. Pero again, personal preference ko lang yun guys. If you want to get the bigger version and save more money, go ahead. Alright, and last but definitely not the least, we have our very, very important category, the sunscreens. Alright, so first up, let's start with some old favorites na na-mention na natin from way back. Of course, we have the very cost-effective Bello sunscreen and of course, the Sunplay Kids sunscreen. Na alam nyo, very iconic talaga tong dalawa na to sa drugstores. So much so na itong Bello is laging nauubusan ng stock. Especially yung 190 pesos version, as in yung ganito kaliit, laging wala to. While itong Sunplay naman is parang dumadagdag yung stock nila dito kasi ang dami ninyong nagugustuhan talaga to. And it really still remains the same guys. You cannot go wrong with these two sunscreens. As in, okay na okay tong mga dalawang to. They aren't the same though. As in, kung i-compare ko tong dalawa na to, Sunplay has the lighter feeling sa skin compared dito sa Bello. But both of these are actually very moisturizing sa skin. And actually, both of these can be used as like a 2-in-1 moisturizer and sunscreen already because lahat na ng ingredients na mahanap mo in a moisturizer, mahanap mo rin dito. Although kapag drier yung skin type ninyo, mas marirecommend ko itong Bello because medyo mas moisturizing to. And then for combination and oily skin, mas magugustuhan nyo yung Sunplay. But aside from these two, marami sa inyo want more lightweight moisturizers. So of course, we have more options for oily skin. And ang next option natin is for those na mahilig sa matte finish. Recently ko lang din to na-mention and this is the Biore Perfect Face Milk. Now, like I said sa lightweight sunscreens video ko, parang magic talaga to kasi parang nagbabagong anyo siya in a few seconds. As in, magiging milk muna siya, tapos medyo parang magiging oily siya. Then, pag patuloy mo siyang i-rub sa skin mo, magiging parang powdery matte na lang siya bigla. As in, if you wanna see yung pag-test ko rito, do check out my video on lightweight sunscreens. Nandun din yung in-depth review ko on this product, but basically guys, kapag nagmamantika talaga kayo sa mga sunscreens or parang nagsha-shiny siya or nag-greasy as the day goes by, magugustuhan nyo talaga to kasi mattifying talaga siya. Lalo na kapag nagre-reapply kayo. Also, napaka-silky and smooth and lightweight lang talaga ng finish niya sa skin. Now, this sunscreen is 435 pesos sa Watsons. Hindi ko rin lagi itong nakikita actually because ang usual na meron ng mga stores is yung UV Aqua Rich. And okay din naman yung UV Aqua Rich pero hindi siya matte finish gaya nito. And ang recommendation ko is if gusto nyo maging sigurado na makakuha kayo ng stock nito, I do recommend checking out yung Biore Shopee store instead. I will be putting some links below where you can get them para hindi na kayo mahirapan. And last but not the least, we have my favorite sunscreen na mabibili sa Watsons. And kung matagal na kayong nanonood ng channel na to at sumusubaybay kayo sa mga IG lives ko or TikTok lives ko, you probably already know this. This is, in my opinion, the best sunscreen that you can get from Watsons. And it is none other than from their own brand. This is the Dermaction Advanced Sun Water Drop Gel Cream. And yes, kung nahalata ninyo, I do not have the product right now. Alam nyo talaga, inis na inis ako kasi laging out of stock si Watsons dito, pati sa online. And I was never able to buy another one anymore after ko maubusan nung unang stock ko. As in, nakakaloka. So again, this is a chemical sunscreen na super lightweight but also hydrating and komportable lang talaga yung lagay niya sa skin. I do have a more in-depth review of this sa sunscreens under 500 video ko. So if you wanna see the full review, do check that one out. But I do want to share also, maraming nagtatanong if okay din ba yung counterpart nito na pang acne prone skin, which is this one. Luckily, nahagilap ko siya. So this one is the Zinc Acne Prone Aqua Gel and meron daw itong salicylic acid and zinc to help with acne prone skin. Although since sunscreens like this aren't necessarily formulated sa acidic na pH level, I don't think makakapag-exfoliate ito ng skin ng mabuti compared to actual exfoliants. Kasi yung mga exfoliants na yun are actually formulated at a lower pH. So yung BHA or yung salicylic acid dito is more like an anti-inflammatory ingredient. Now, tinest ko na rin ito and my verdict is yung texture and lagay niya actually is very the same lang doon sa original na Dermaction. Now, okay naman siya as a sunscreen. Ang difference lang talaga niya aside from the salicylic acid and the zinc sa ingredients is may additional din siyang alcohol. Which again, alcohol is not always bad sa skincare. Particularly sa sunscreen na to, it can help the sunscreen absorb faster sa skin. Pero just in general, since meron din tong salicylic acid, may potential siya to be more drying or irritating sa skin kung yung skin nyo is dry or sensitive. So if oily naman yung skin type mo, I think okay lang naman to since lesser chance naman na mangyari yung ma-dry out yung skin mo. Pero if hindi oily yung skin type mo or even if normal yung skin type mo, baka medyo unnecessary yung dinagdag nila na ingredients dito for you. So kung normal and dry yung skin type mo, I still suggest going with the original one instead. So the Dermaction sunscreens are at 350 to 400 pesos price range for 50 ml. And again, agawan yung original version sa Watsons na physical stores. So I suggest buying online instead para mas sure kayo na makakuha kayo ng stock. And para hindi nyo sila kailangan hanapin, I'll be putting links in the description box below. So ayun na siya guys, this is our best essentials from Mercury and Watsons video for late 2021. Tingnan natin kung kailan ulit natin to kailangan i-update. But for now, if you found this video informative, please do leave me a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this. And as always guys, I will see you in the next video. Bye!